Teachers, stop scrolling. Let me tell you about one of my favorite apps that will make your read alouds this month extra spooky.
We all know the importance of a good read aloud across age levels, across grade levels, used as a mentor text for writing. So if you have not downloaded the app Novel Effect, you guys, this is one of my all-time favorite apps. It has a ton of books that you are already using for read aloud in their system. You can search by a specific holiday or by a genre or by a book title. But what they have done is they have created essentially soundtracks for books. It puts background music and noise and all types of things to bring these read alouds to life. So I'm going to let you listen to one of my favorites, Creepy Pair of Underwear. Just imagine this while you're reading aloud. I'm just telling you, go download the app. It will be a resource you use forever.
If you want to see more videos like this, save this video and comment below.